Hi guys, Rose Tan here, inspiring you to live the lifestyle that you want. I hope you guys are doing really well. I would love to discuss the topic of script manifesting. Oh, I practice this on a daily routine. It is my habit. It's like a part of my ritual now. I like to do it in the mornings when my brain, mind, and beliefs and thoughts are just so susceptible and fresh. It can actually, in the first hour of our mornings, what we actually experience, we actually manifest and focus those vibration and energy throughout our days. So I find that in the morning this is so crucial that my mindset is clear, it's fresh, so that I can only put in the good vibes, the good things into my mind. So it's a daily practice. It's all about being disciplined, being consistent, and sheer determination. Because if you want something to change within your life, it starts with us. It starts from our mind. It's all about being consistent, being congruent what we actually say and tell ourselves, and living our lives in full alignment every day. So it takes practice. It's never easy from the beginning, but it takes practice, guys. So what I actually have in my hand here is a book that I actually written down cover to cover, and it has all these lines, script manifesting, and I just date them as I go ahead, and you can just write down particular words that really resonates with you. So let's say, for instance, every day you wanting to become more confident or powerful or stronger or more inspiring. So for a good example, every day I am confident. Every day I am confident. When you say it out loud before you actually write down the whole entire book. And I recommend do that for an average of 30 days straight. The reason why is that normally it takes 2 to 3, 4 weeks for our body, for our mind, our thoughts and beliefs to change that different dimension, thoughts or feelings and beliefs within ourselves, so that we can create the new habit and a new way of believing and thinking and feeling, so that we can also manage our emotional states for our well-being, right? So every day I am confident. When you put pen to paper, you are the author. You are your own writer, right? You are publishing your own book here. You're the storyteller of your new life here. So when we put the pen, when we put the pen to paper, feel powerful within yourself. Use that emotions. So guys, let me adjust that. So use all of your energy, like really focus. Hold that pen within your hand, within your grasp, and then, tell yourself, guide yourself, lead yourself that you are the role model here, that you are the born leader to create your destiny here, to create your life path. So when you say I am, feel it, visualize it. I am confident, or every day I am confident. So you imagine yourself waking up confident, you're beaming, you're powerful, like you're walking on sunshine, right? Like you feel like the God within yourself, or the goddess within yourself. It's self-empowerment, okay guys? So hold the pen in your hand, write it down. Every day I am confident. I would strongly recommend you write one line throughout the whole entire page. Don't change or swish it around, because you are actually manifesting one particular thought and focus and intention throughout that one page per day. And if you cross it with other thoughts and beliefs, saying that every day I'm confident, and then you mix it up with I will attract multiple streamlines of income, for instance. That would actually just mumble and jumble things up, and then it just confuses the intentions and thought that you actually manifest and put out to the universe. The universe gets confused. It's fuzzy. You wanting to create something that's a lot more clear, a lot more aligned within what you actually desire, what you truly desire, with strong passion and drive and hunger and thirst, that willingness that you actually can step out of your comfort zone every day to make your dreams into reality. Okay, guys? Let's see. So apart from just feeling the emotions and energy when you do script manifesting, use your emotions, just like really, like even just close your eyes and visualize yourself, like saying I don't know, an example is, I will get that promotion at work. My manager will hire me over other applicants, for instance. Telling yourself that you believe within yourself, you're more than capable for that position. You have the abundance of skill sets and experience and insights and knowledge and skills. So you are, when you tell yourself these things every day, and if you're consistent and disciplined enough, you're pulling out the intention out to the universe. The universe would actually do its half of its job and create that magic into fruition and to physical form. You will attract that promotion, because every day you're walking with so much, with poise and confidence that people around you can sense your vibration, and they wonder what's gotten into that person, why are they so strong suddenly, or what's shifted, and they want that. Guys, the vibration attracts good things back, and that's what you want, right? To lead by example, be that role model and walk with so much clarity and confidence, with, stand tall, even, speak even when your voice shakes. Speak your truth. And they say, the truth will set you free. And oh my God, I so live by that. The more you practice your speaking of your truth out loud, it gets stronger and louder, and you become so strong within yourself. I promise you that, guys. Okay, guys, I hope I didn't leave anything out. If I have, I'll leave it in the description below there. Please leave me a comment or feedback, thumbs up, subscribe and share. That'll be wonderful. And up until next time, I will make more videos. Okay, guys, chat to you guys then. Thanks.